Hello, let's see how you can do a full script project with Quanscient.Allsolve. So first, create a new project, give it a name, full script, create. Here you have different options. We'll go with the pure script. And then here you have your main script, your script editor. You can add multiple different script files if you want to separate your code into multiple modules. And you have your mesh file ready. You can upload it here with the extra input files functionality. All right, let's write our script. So Quanscient is the main module for all the functionality in our scripting interface. And the editor supports uh, autocomplete for the functions. But I have my script ready-made, so I'll just copy and paste it here. And then I can go to the simulation where I can set node count to 1 and then just click run. And now the simulation is running. You can show the logs from the simulation to see the progress. And that's it.